Alright, we have another Doc McStuffins Easter basket for Demetrius. Let's get our list. Go down and go live. Timestamp 12:15. 12:15. Put our list in. Let's go over our list real quick. Got Mindy Ratcliffe 5 times. Jacqueline Hosey 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Latoya 3 times. Charlene 2. Got Dorothy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And Courtney 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Alright, 12:16. There's our list. Go to the dice roller. We're going to roll the dice. It has to be 4 or higher. Got a 6 and 3 is 9. Alright, go our first roll. 25 items on the list. Roll 1 time. 12:16. Dice calls for 9. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We rolled 6. Dice calls for 9. It's 12:17. 7, 8. 25 items on the list. We went 8 times. Dice calls for 6 and 3 is 9. 12:17. This will be our final roll.
Avast virus database has been updated.
Let's close that. This is the final roll. Again, it's 9, 12:17. Good luck. Alright, Mindy Ratcliffe, congratulations, you're the winner. 25 items on the list. See, Mindy's on top. It went 9 times. Dice calls for 9. 12:18. Let's go get our last time stamp. 12:18.